अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर व्यूअर्स, मैं हूं मोहम्मद सुफियान शाहिद और आज की इस वीडियो में आपको खुश आमदीद कहता हूं। आज मैं आपसे शेयर करने वाला हूं FIA असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर इन्वेस्टिगेशन 2022 का सॉल्व पेपर जो कि फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन के थ्रू कंडक्ट हुआ था 24 जुलाई 2022 को। तो मैं इससे ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं किसी भी MCQs को समझाऊंगा क्योंकि वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा लंबी होने वाली है। मैं जस्ट MCQs को रीड करता जाऊंगा। आपको जहां पर इजी लगे वहां पर इस वीडियो को पॉज करके आप इसको डिटेल के साथ रीड कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। ही प्लेड्स फॉर सैनिटरी इन रीजनेबल वर्ड। शी इज़ अफ्रेड ऑफ स्पाइडर। ही राइट्स इन इंक। द चेयरमैन इज़ इल एंड ही विल हैव टू पुट ऑफ the meeting for a few days. Who is creating this mess? Select the correct passive. By whom the mess is being created? The ship is bound for United States. I am sure of it as you are. None of these. JIT was formed to investigate the crime. The JIT here is collective noun. Mr. Jonathan is not home today. I suggest you try calling him tomorrow. Saad often works late at night. Somebody burnt the trash here. It cannot be Shaina because she cares about the environment pretty much. The baby cried for food. This sentence can be defined as simple sentence. A person who tends to see the roast aspect of things are believers that the roast will happen. Pessimist. The synonym of hauteur, strong encouragement. The synonym of emancipate, release. The antonym of extraordinary. Bamboo is related to with grass family. A compound sentence must have a subordinate clause. World Bicycle Day 3 January. When was COVID-19 declared pandemic? March 11, 2020. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. FIA agency was established on 17th January, Yuri 1975. DG FIA power can exercise power like IG police. Which member of FIA can arrest someone? Sub-inspector. In which section of the FIA Act powers of the agency is given? Section 5. World Braille Day 4 January. Argosy means a big trading ship. When did Russia invade Ukraine? 24th February 2022. Sound wave cannot travel through vacuum. Bat can fly at night because of ultrasonic waves. If A greater than B and B greater than A, then cannot be evaluated. Sum of 4 arithmetic means between 18 and 3, 42. जिसकी एग्जाम्पल भी दी हुई है 6 + 9 + 12 + 15 which is equal to 42. If X module of Y is 100 and Y module of Z is 200, find a relation between X and Z minus 2X. The value of a computer depreciate by 10% annually. If the present Rs 1 lakh, then what will be its value after 2 years? None of these. Rs 81,000 ये आना था लेकिन वहाँ पे सही आंसर नहीं था. In a town, 45% population read magazine A, 55% read magazine B, 40% read magazine C, 30% read magazine A and B, 15% read magazine B and C, 25% read magazine A and C, and 10% read all the 3 magazines. What percentage do not read any magazine? 20%. What is the Article 370 of the Indian Constitution? It gives special status to Kashmir. Who is the current Chancellor of Germany? Olaf Scholz. Who is the General Secretary of the United Nations? Antonio Guterres. Who led the Afghan Taliban team during the peace negotiation with the United States at Dubai? Sher Mohammad Abbas. Frederick J. discovered which vaccine? Insulin. NACTA, National Counter-Terrorism Authority, was developed in which year? 2008. Trepidation, synonym misguiding. Which country reported its first COVID cases on 12 May 2020? 2020 है ये. North Korea reported its first COVID-19. Which UK Foreign Secretary visited Pakistan in September 2021? Dominic Raab. 47th session of OIC held in Niger. What is the AP series? -15, -22, -29 और ये यहाँ पर 7 का गैप है -85. What percent of 120 is 90? 0.75. If Amna is 8 years old, then 5 times Amna's age 3 years ago is 5 into x minus 3. Ratio 3:7 can be 7:21. Which is the most sensitive part of the eye? Pupil. Pakistan Special Police Force was established in Pakistan Special Police Establishment Ordinance 1948. Which country is in the south of America? Mexico. Who bought Twitter for $44 billion? Elon Musk. Pakistan won how many medals in Paralympic 2020? 3 medals, silver, a bronze and a gold medal in the Paralympic. Which country made the super fastest computer? Japan. The scientific study of teeth is odontology. Last non-virtual meeting of the World Economic Forum held on May 2022 to May 26, Davos, Switzerland. Which of the following can be made from wood? Paper. Which is the slowest planet? Venus completes one rotation on its axis, making it the slowest of all planets. Which instrument is used to check milk? Lactometer. Where was the G7 2021 summit held from 11 to 13 June 2021 in Cornwall, England? Sri Lankan president is Ranil Wickremesinghe. Pronunciation में मसला हो सकता है. Who is the governor of Balochistan? Muhammad Khan Jamali. The superintendents of the agency shall vest in federal government. FIA Act extend to the whole of Pakistan and also applied to all the citizens of Pakistan. Public servant means a public servant as defined in section 21 of the Pakistan Penal Code. Who appoints DG FIA? Federal government. Which of the following is incorrect? FIA Act is applicable to all citizens of Pakistan. Fibula bone is a part of leg. Who is the first black women judge of US Supreme Court? Ketanji Brown. Jackson. Turkey name change in US. New name is Turkey. ये नाम में थोड़ा सा चेंजिंग आई है. Most abundant element in earth crust? Oxygen. The biggest importer of arms? KSA. Commonwealth Games 2026 will be hosted by state of Victoria. Which of the northernmost part of CPAC? Khanjrab Pass. US President Joe Biden took oath on 20 January 2021. A motorcycle has a full tank and he can travel 10 days with the full tank if he uses 25% more fuel every day. How many days he can cover with the full fuel tank? 7.5 days. Arithmetic means of x minus 3 and x plus 3 is equal to x. For basic arithmetic formula is a plus b over 2. FIA is constructed under which section? 3 section. Solar eclipse affect the photosynthesis in planets and makes it slow. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute 2021 report, which country is in largest arms importer in the world? India and Saudi Arabia. Which country lifted 93 million people out of poverty since 2013 and has announced poverty in its country? China. Which Pakistani recently received the Roman मैग्सेसी award, dubbed as Asia highest award equivalent to Nobel Prize, Muhammad Amjad Saqib. Asian Summit 2020 was conducted in Hanoi, Vietnam. What is the name of foreign minister of Spain who visited Pakistan in September 2017? Albares. Which metallic element is liquid at room temperature? None of these. Mercury. The purity of one of the following is measured by lactometer. Purity. Milk. The major ingredient of leather is collagen. Which is the slowest rotating planet? Venus. An arrest under the FIA Act can be made. SI. Request for transfer of property can be made by. इसका सोल्यूशन नहीं है। यहाँ पर गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट मींस इन एक्ट अंडर विच सेक्शन, यहाँ पर इसका भी सोल्यूशन नहीं है। विच प्रॉपर्टी अंडर इन्वेस्टिगेशन इज़ अप्रोहेंडेड टू द ट्रांसफर्ड एंड ऑर्डर टू रेस्टेन इट्स ट्रांसफ़र में बी मेड बाय। तो ये भी कुछ सोल्यूशन जो है इनके नहीं है। अ पर्सन अरेस्टेड अंडर द FIA एक्ट में बी डिटेन्ड एट, तो इसका भी यहाँ पे सोल्यूशन नहीं है। द एप्लीकेबिलिटी of the FIA Act extend to, सो इसका भी आंसर यहाँ पे नहीं है। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आज की ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी होगी। अब मिलते हैं अपनी नई वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।